Alright guys, sorry for canceling class. Have some family issues. We were only going to meet about 20 minutes, so I figured I would just do the review like this. First of all, test is over Chapter 8 and Chapter 9, Nutrition and Exercise, Diet, Weight Control. The PowerPoints are posted on Eagle Web, and I'll also post this study guide. Um, Biggest thing, guys, if you can know this stuff right here, the highlighted stuff, that's going to answer about 50% of the test. The three macronutrients: carbs, fats, proteins. You need to know how much you get each day. Okay, so for instance, carbs 50 to 60%, fats 20 to 30%, proteins 10 to 15%. You need to know how much you get from each one. Example, so the energy, so 4 calories per gram for carbs. Different types of foods within each. What's each used for? So for example, carbs are your main source of energy. What happens if you have too much? Well, if you have too much of any of them, they're going to turn to fat. And then subgroups of each, so like complex and simple carbs. Each one of those is divided into two more subgroups. In addition, you need to know what the definition of nutrition is. You need to understand what fiber is and how much you should have in your diet in grams. Again, you need to understand each of those subgroups in depth. Okay, so understand which is better between simple and complex carbs, which is better between saturated and unsaturated fat. Have an idea of essential amino acids, what they are. Have an idea of water-soluble vitamins. So like vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin, means it passes out in urine. Understand macronutrients, meaning vitamins and minerals. Understand what minerals are tied to certain diseases. So for example, if you're anemic, they give you iron. If you have osteoporosis, they give you calcium. Know some ways to prevent foodborne illnesses, so like washing your hands, cooking things to temperature, not leaving things out past 2 hours. Know the optimal percentage of body fat for men and women, so like men is 8 to 19%. Know the difference between rested metabolic rate and exercise metabolic rate. The key being rested and exercise. Rested metabolic rate means the number of calories you burn doing nothing. Exercise means the number of calories you burn during exercise. Know how much weight is healthy per week, so 1 to 2 pounds a week. Understand you need 3,500 calories. You have to cut 3,500 calories to lose a pound. To gain a pound of muscle, you have to have 2,500 calories on top of your normal diet, and 400 calories have to come from protein. And then have an idea of those main eating disorders, meaning bulimia, anorexia, binge eating. Guys, the test is really easy. It's 30 multiple choice, 10 true false, and 1 essay. And that 1 essay counts 30 points. So make sure you really understand the stuff in yellow. Again, I apologize for you guys missing class today. It's something that's came up that I can't really help. Your test will be Thursday, and I will see you guys then. You can email me if you have any questions. I appreciate it. Have a good day.